If you want to know how to open your friends list in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps on both desktop and mobile, so you can find your Epic Games friends list fast and start connecting with your friends in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials like this. Let's start with the easiest method. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer, or if you're using your phone, open the Epic Games app on mobile. Once the app is loaded, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Friends icon, which looks like a silhouette of two people. This icon is what you need to access your social panel and view your friends. Now click on that Friends icon. As soon as you do, the panel will expand on the side of your screen. Inside this panel, you'll see your complete friends list. Epic Games organizes your friends into sections, so you can quickly tell who is online and who is offline. This makes it really easy to jump into a game with someone who is available right now, or just check your full list when you need it. If you don't see the panel right away, take a second to make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account. Also, check that the launcher or app is fully updated, because sometimes layout changes can move icons around slightly, but in most cases, the Friends icon will always be in that top right area, ready for you to open, and that's it. Once the panel is open, you can browse your friends, see who's active, and manage your gaming social list from one place. It's a simple feature, but it's one of the fastest ways to stay connected inside Epic Games. If this guide helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.